Hi, my name is David and I'm with Valley Alarm. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your DSC Wireless carbon monoxide detector. And the model number for this device is WS4933. Let's get started. Now, before we start, the first thing that you're going to want to do is to give us a call and place your system on test mode. This is a precautionary step that you'll want to take so that you don't mistakenly trigger any false alarms. And once you've done this, you're ready to move on to the next step. And that next step is to remove the device from the base. Now, in order to remove the device from the base, it's pretty easy. This is the device here, the detector, and this is the base. This is the part of the detector that is secured to your wall or to your ceiling. In order to separate it from the base, all you have to do is give the device a turn to the left. Once you do, you should hear a click and remove it from the base. I'm going to go ahead and set the base to the side. Once you have the detector removed from the base, the next step that you're going to want to do is turn the device around and take out the battery. This is the battery here, and all you need to do to remove it is a screwdriver like this. So what you're going to want to do is just wedge the screwdriver in between the device and begin to pry it out. Don't worry, you're not going to damage the device. Be careful not to puncture the battery, but it should be pretty easy to do. And once you have the battery removed from the device, you're ready to put in the replacement battery. To talk a little bit about the battery, what this is a CR123A battery. These batteries you can find in many locations. You can find these batteries at a lot of your big chain drug stores. You can also find this battery at some of your big box retail stores. And if you're a customer of ours, you can call that same number that's at the bottom of the screen and ask us, and we'll go ahead and ship you out a couple of these too. And that's pretty much it. So once you have the battery out, go ahead and set the old battery aside and grab the replacement battery and get ready to put it back into the device. I'm going to reuse the same battery, but the process is still the same. What you're going to need to do is pay attention to the orientation. This is a diagram that shows you the correct orientation of the battery. So just make sure the battery you're putting in there is facing the same way. And once you are ready to put it in there, make sure the battery is flush with the device, like how you see it here. That way, all you need is to take your index finger on your right hand and on your left hand, press down until it clicks in there. Once you have the battery back into the device, what you want to do is go ahead and go over to the base and get ready to reattach the device. Now, in order to attach the device quickly, you're going to want to make sure that this notch right here is more or less lined up with this hole. If you have these two together, just give it a turn to the right and it should click right back into place, just like that. And that's all it takes to replace the battery on your DSC WS4933. You're not done just yet. You have two more steps. The next thing that you want to do is go over to your keypad. On your keypad, you're going to have some troubles because you removed this device from the wall, took it off the base. So you have to reset your keypad. Go ahead and clear out any trouble conditions that are there and make sure your keypad says ready to arm or shows ready to arm. Once your keypad is ready to arm, now you're ready to go ahead and give us a call back at that number that's on the bottom of the screen and just say, hey guys, I'm done replacing the battery on my detector. Please go ahead and remove my system off test. And with that, you're completely done. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Thank you.